Sabas is a worldwide educational service firm. They have schools everywhere from England to Cairo to China and Africa, and they have a large network of charter schools here in the United States. We design several Sabas schools around the country. We put a great emphasis on price and affordability. First, cost is a big factor, and then of course cost going down the road is a big factor operationally. Hand dryers have worked very well for the Sabas schools. They did use the typical paper towels, and they found that it was really becoming quite a nightmare maintenance-wise, student health and cleanliness-wise. Students would jam paper towels down the toilets. They love to do that. And so they decided to make a change to go to electric hand dryers. Maintenance costs have gone down. The cleanliness of their restrooms has gone way up. Hygiene is becoming more and more of an important factor. In fact, we find that school facilities in general are moving much more rapidly towards hand dryers. Electric hand dryers are now the industry standard. Sustainability and environmentally sound design is extremely important to me, and I think throughout the industry, and it's becoming more so. It is the biggest trend that we see, and it's not only in washroom design, but it really goes throughout the entire design of the building. The Excel ThinAir dryer has been an excellent specification. The design of the Excel ThinAir is sleek, it's modern, it's low profile, and it seems to really work well. I really like the fact that they're ADA compliant. There's adjustable sound and heat settings on them, which really helps. Adjusting the sound on a hand dryer is absolutely key. It's the biggest complaint that we get, because sometimes even if the dryers are located in the washrooms, they don't have doors. So I think to have that control of sound is really, really important. There is absolutely a large impact on something being American made. For me personally, it's a growing trend in the architecture field and specifying. If I am taking a look at a product, the first thing I look at is where it's made, where it comes from. And that's important because not only do we want to keep jobs in America, obviously, but the fact that there are certain controls in the manufacture and design of those systems that we know that we can monitor and make sure they're done in an environmentally responsible way. When we look at products, we always look at it in the light of how sustainable it is. Of course, that's got to be looked at within the realm of affordability as well, but we find that the Excel ThinAir fits both bills.